have a Parrot Pelican accordion. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons with 3 reeds in the treble, low and 2 middle. It has 7 switches on the treble side. 2 of those are duplicate. I will go through these switches so you can get an idea of what they sound like. This is the middle clarinet. Low bassoon. Low and middle. Master. 2 middle, musette. And these are your duplicates, low, middle, and bassoon. Bassoon. We have 3 switches on the bass side, and this is what the switches sound like. Very classic looking accordion. It's very handsome looking. It has red bellows, which always look good on a black accordion. A nice design on the grill. You have a good variety of switches on your treble side. You also have a master palm switch if you like to use a master palm switch. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.